Bye guys, I will miss you.
Hello guys, welcome to my vlog. So for today's video, I'm with my beloved friend Sushima, and it will be, her 5 days that, and she will go to the Philippines. So now we're going to Shrimp Anatomy. Push pala, dito pala, sorry. Panira yung part na yun, no? Who's the meanest?
You.
You. Ikaw po.
Talaga? Pero hindi halata. Ikaw na nakakahalata. Who's the most rude? You. Masugod ka.
Ruth ba ako? Who's the kindest? Of course, it's me. Right, baby?
You. Ano po?
Who's the mapanakit?
No comment.
Mapanakit.
No comment.
Siya po yun.
Siya po talaga yan.
Ikaw talaga yun. Uy, mapanakit ka.
Yan mo?
Hindi pati. E di sana all, serve agad. So guys, nandito po kami sa Shrimp Anatomy. Papakainin ko yung anak ko.
Yes, tama yan. Tama. Good job. Good job.
Ano sasabi mo sa Saudi?
Thank you so much for this treat. Dapat yung mamahal yung in-order natin.
Hindi mahal yung order mo. Hindi mahal.
Konti lang yun. Ang dami pera.
Akala mo lang marami.
Sige.
ASMR ng gold.
Wala akong sasali. Let's get to it.
Yeah, same. I'm hungry na. So papakita natin sa madla kung paano tayo kumain ng gutom. Yalla, sura-sura guys. Yes, syempre true. Ano tayo, very demure
Lagyan
dapat.
mo na yun.
So, papakita po this inside this box. So, Shrimp Anatomy.
I think shrimp is just like, it's not, napakabait.
Pag
Huwag kang
umalis
pakasagot.
hindi naman ako pala sagot. Pag alam kong tama ako, hindi ako sumasagot. Kaya ako sa mama ko, pag sumasagot ako, sa talaga din. Kaya, ay, kaya ako nagkon sa malaka para pag-isama. Paano na yun? Paano
Malinis na pagkaminis ko.
Yeah.
Tsaka yung mga pagtulog.
Sige, saktan mo na. Sige, narinig ko yun ha. Galing sa kanya. It's coming from her. Binibubog niya ko. Kahit malaki ko ako dito. Hindi po talaga ako lumalaban. Kasi hindi ko ako galing tao.
Nag-drama.
Ngayon, may diretso na po ako. Wala sabi ko ako ng pagkakuhay ng tawa. Sinungaling pero.
So, nga ito dito sa sinungaling.
Opo, tama po. Hindi po ako sinungaling. Sa tingin mo, ipupush ko.
Oo, mag-push ka.
Ano siya?
Push. I-push mo kasi may talent ka. Galing ka bilis naman.
Ay, ako na.
Mag-edit. Video sa TV. Pagod dyan.
Oh my God, ayun ang heart ko sa Janet pa.
Joke lang yun, joke lang yun.
Diba? Ganun yan. Dapat kasi pag pinush mo, wala nang goal. Push lang.
Kapag ano mo kung maging support mo, basher.
Basher ka na lang kasi masisikat ang
Basher
pag-basher.
ako, yes.
More shrimp, more than before I kill, malit sa wiki lang, okay? Use tayo. Eco-friendly. Vanilla with vanilla. So guys, ito po allergic to vanilla perfume. So from now on, next week I'm gonna use my vanilla perfume. So ito kasi pag nag-vanilla ko, she pass away. She pass out, I mean. Exercise kasi kakain tayo. Kailangan may warm up.
My God, I'm so excited to eat.
I don't judge. We are not category.
Slight on you.
We're just from our work na. Tapos alam ko here. I mean, directly here.
Yeah,
Direct, diba?
just tell how busy you are in your work.
I'm so busy. I have one patient and it's too much work for me. Alhamdulillah, alhamdulillah.
So, how many minutes you do for laser? For one area?
2 minutes to 5 minutes. I'm expert.
Really?
Yep.
Okay, natin.
Yeah. I'm expert about skin already. Like when I touch it, oh, you put lotion, reschedule. When I see it, without glass, I'm myopia. I'm nearsighted without. So when I saw it with hair, okay, reschedule. Need to shave at home. I am so strict.
If there is hair, not shaved properly.
Reschedule. Ala to.
If, what else? Patient to money.
Reschedule for 3 months. Yeah. 3 months. Of course, I'm just kidding. Yeah. Mekis-mekis na po ni Insan.
Pinapanood mo din yan.
Mekis-mekis.
Bye guys, I will miss you. But Saudi give me a lot of money, but still, I use it here in Saudi.
No saving. Because Saudi is a good country.
Yeah, good country.
Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah, are we praying? So, I'm so thankful that, I'm so grateful that I'm here also. Really. It's a good opportunity and lesson learned.
Lesson learned to what?
Lesson learned about life.
Okay, yeah.
That not all the time you will be, yeah, you know.
Momo, walang pa yung squid.
Hair? Hands? Mustache? Hi. This one is jacket. Brother, mafimos ka lang. Nasa we request hot sauce. Wow, what's this? Ooh.
What's that?
Tama?
Extra ko.
Tama? Ah, that's the whole.
Extra ko.
I hope this one is good.
Mild lang to. Mild lang yung hati.
It smells like, you know, the kapsa rice. Yeah. Kumain dyan yung food. Sarap na siya na ano. Ilang yung sili. And this is the head of the lobster. Naiwan ko yung ulo. Wow, see that? It's so juicy, guys. Crabs, guys. Crabs. Oh my God. Crabs. Kami doon. Dampa ata yung place. Puro seafood. Yung bibili ka. Tapos ano.
Si ano makiluto? Parang yung market dito. Parang yung palengke. Tapos mo ka nakakain.
Tapos yun, may charge yung pagluto. Tablet, para manood tayo. May gala ako sa video. Kaya, okay. No? Oh my God, guys, it's so good. Ilan pula mo?
Ay, ganda.
Kasi,
Ganda si wala ko?
hindi ka na-obs lang guys.
Kawawa yun.
Mahawa ka na sa akin, ubus na ako. Tama na, please. Hindi, mahal ka eh.
Hindi na ako chilito. Okay.
Talaga? Yung masarap na ito.
Yung facial expression mo, okay?
Okay. Sarap guys, sobrang sarap. I'm so thankful that I'm here in my time. Sundot ko lang. Kasi, kumain. Dot. Kain ko?
Meron may mga nasa lips siya, oo.
Hindi ko brush.
Sa Shanghai niyo.
Hindi to. Ayun, tayo meron pa. Magkita meron pa dito.
May laman ba? May laman kasi nakain ko. Tingnan ba niya na isa? Good. Ang buntis yung binigay.
Lemon garlic? Are you sure? I think yes.
Yes.
Kasi may no chili at all. Don't order with spicy. Kasi hindi niya ma-enjoy yung food. Sila, ang good. So guys, I will show you around with my face. Yeah. Say hi.
Hi. Bye.
Ah, yeah. Yung mga nag-vlog-vlog din. Dapat may light din ako na ganyan, no? Guys, ano tawag sa light na yan? Please comment down below. Lamig na. Oh, hindi mo na maabutan yung pinaka-winter na winter. So guys, winter is... winter. Wala po. Winter is already started and then yeah, as you can see, it's so cold. Magpalam ko na. Yung food nandiyan pa rin, so baka mami mo ano nyo lang, you don't like it. Mataan, ano ralshuwaya, al-bahar. Yan, pakita mo yan, very good ka dyan. Tama yan, tama. Hindi lang ako. Yung baby ko. Ay ka. Hindi na kami promise. Hindi, sabi mo, anak ko daw sa woods. Sabi, woods, please. Wow. Ganda nakuha ko ngayon. Yung